B650 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi motherboard. I am building this computer for a client. Had about a mid-range or so budget, but mid-range is pretty hard to do these days with any type of GPU. But I should be able to get something going. We have 16 gigs of RAM coming in here. Got that good old classic Corsair. And a Ryzen 5. Which one did we get? Oh, 7600X. I'm still rocking my personal 3900X, which isn't bad. Alright, so I haven't really looked at this board too much. Okay. These have a latch. Oh man, my hair. I'm gonna tie my hair back. These have a latch for the CPU. That's nice. Socket AM5. See if this motherboard or anything came with some thermal paste. I love Ryzen. My last two builds have been Ryzen. Pretty nice. Can't wait to get a new one though, because that 3900X with all those cores, it's gonna be great in my server, which is where my old CPUs always end up going. Oh man, so I haven't really built a computer with this generation yet. You have an interesting socket. Oh wow, okay. Gotta pop this guy off. I actually like this. It doesn't have pins like the old ones. It's probably a lot harder to break. This does not have thermal paste that we bought already. Hopefully this paste I have is not expired. I've had it for a couple years, but it is still in the wrapper. You could even see how old this paste is. It's kind of dusty. But it's not open, so I think it should be alright. So let's just take a look at this board real quick. Let me familiarize myself. Here's the PCI port, IE. Okay, it's probably sound. God, I really gotta tie my hair. Oh man. IO back there. I used to be able to tie my hair with my hair. Might be too long now. Sorry. Okay, so see what else we have here. The GPU we got isn't super high quality, but as you guys know, It's a little bit hard to get him right now, but I'll save that guy for later. Don't have any regular drives. We have the good old Kingston SSD right here. Where is that M2 slot? There it is. Let me look at the actual. And I don't think I need it, but no. We got a huge cooler over here. This is gonna be nice. Oh, actually, the cooler probably has some paste. I don't know why I didn't think about that. Let's get this guy open. Run out of space over here. Thought I had a big work area. Got some nice big chunky fans. What are these? 240. Thermalright. Man, good thing we have a huge case because this sucker is big.